I'm here today with this beautiful E36 generation BMW 316i. 90,000 low miles, tax and MOT. Really a clean, well-kept car. Owned by an enthusiast and a collector. Other car was a new 997 Porsche 911 Turbo. You can see we've got tax till February of 2014. Alloys look excellent. Straight body, HPI clear. And it's the coupe version. It's not the compact, which I really like. I don't like the look of the compact models. This one really looks sharp. Got Scorpion stainless performance exhaust. Really a good looking car. Let me unfold the mirror here. There we are. Sunroof. Paint is glossy. It's excellent. There's no fading, no peeling of the clear coat. We open it up, and you see inside we've got just a really clean, presentable interior. No rust anywhere. Great 5-speed, expensive JVC head unit. Let's take the car for a spin. Alright, so we put the key in the ignition, foot on the clutch, let's start her up. Starts right up. You can see the idle is smooth and steady. Let me turn this down. We've got auxiliary input here for your phone or MP3 player. Just a really nice head unit. Premium stuff. Alright, put the parking brake down. And away we go. I'm going to put it in first. And let's cruise. Alright, second gear. Car drives excellently. When I come to a stop, you'll hear the brakes don't squeak or squeal. Let me close my door all the way. Power mirrors here, and it's got those nice windows that go up automatically when you close the door. Alright, so we've got these automatic windows. Press it, whip my finger off. As you can see, there they go. And we've even got the sunroof up here as well. So everything works as it should. Alright, let's get these windows up. Steering wheel looks excellent, virtually no wear. Dash pad is great, no cracks there. Air conditioning controls. I'm sure you can hear that. Alright, turn that down. And you've got the digital clock down here, which isn't set right now. Okay, let's take it for a little spin. The car drives great. It drives like a new vehicle. You know, whether you're going 60 miles an hour or 6 miles an hour, there's no issues. It drives uniform. Tracking is straight. Suspension's excellent. Brakes are great. Really nothing to complain about. And it being the 316 model, you know, two-door, you've got the best fuel economy you could hope for with a petrol engine BMW. I mean, it just sips fuel. Outstanding miles per gallon and a lot of pep in its step, as you can hear and see. The clutch is perfect. No issues shifting gears, no grinding in the synchros of the gearbox. Everything is what you would hope for and expect with a nice cared for BMW that's been well maintained. Thank you for checking out my video. I do have several other E36 BMWs if you're interested. There's one in front of me right here. It's a diesel with 70,000 miles. But check out my other videos. If you've got any questions, do not hesitate to call, send me a message, make a comment. I'm always available. And again, I appreciate you taking the time to check out this car and look at my video. Take care.